Life is so busy and chaotic that we tend to forget about the good values from the past. Everyone wants to keep up with the crowd so they don't feel outdated and left behind. Traditional products are gradually being replaced by industrial ones. Young people are also moving away from the occupations of their ancestors, because there are significant risks involved in taking on such jobs. However, there are still some brave young individuals who overcome their fears to preserve the traditional craftsmanship of their ancestors. They not only maintain the techniques and essence passed down from previous generations, but also innovate and rejuvenate those products, making them unique and spreading the good values to other young people. Among these individuals are Yuhei Kojima and Keiji Harada, whose journeys you have been following in our previous videos on our channel. Meet Yuhei Kojima, a passionate artisan who has taken up the challenge of creating Hakone parquetry boxes. With 4 years of training behind him, he embraces the intricate woodworking technique known as Hakone Zaiku. As for Yuhei Kojima, the impression he left on me was that of a shy and hesitant young man. In contrast to Keiji Harada, the craftsmanship he pursued garnered significant attention from customers within and outside Japan due to its exquisite beauty. You could thrive in this profession if you constantly honed your skills, because there was fierce competition among workshops that produced these magnificent objects. Under the guidance of his master, he is progressing day by day, and his confidence is growing. I believe that one day not too far off, he will succeed just like his mentor. Witness Kojima's dedication as he carefully assembles different wood types, weaving them together to form captivating patterns. From keychains to innovative products like the Zaiku belt buckle, Kojima pushes the boundaries of this traditional craft, showcasing his creativity and skill. Now, let's turn our attention to Keiji Harada, a skilled barrel maker, who has made it his mission to preserve Japanese occupational culture. I vividly remember the first time I met Keiji Harada. Before that, I had heard that the traditional craft of barrel making was rapidly disappearing, because barrel makers couldn't sustain a living by solely practicing this work. Moreover, the tools to make barrels and tubs were no longer being produced, making it even harder to find them. So, my skepticism grew stronger than ever. However, when I first interacted with him, that skepticism seemed to vanish. His persona exuded a stronger aura than anyone I had ever met. No fear could hinder him. He traveled all over Japan to search for tools from craftsmen who had previously practiced this work. Being solely a barrel craftsman wasn't enough to make a living, so he had to take on the additional job of delivering sushi every early morning. All the challenges were overcome by his strong willpower. Under the guidance of his master, Harada immersed himself in the intricate techniques of barrel making, striving for excellence in his craft. With locally sourced cedar and bamboo, Harada crafts exquisite barrels and tubs, combining tradition with his unique ideas. His dedication to quality and craftsmanship shines through in his award-winning creations, such as the magnificent large cedar barrel. Witness his commitment to utilizing traditional materials, such as rice glue, derived from locally harvested rice, ensuring the safety and food friendliness of his creations. These two young artisans, Yuhei Kojima and Keiji Harada, exemplify the passion, dedication, and resilience required to uphold the traditions of Japanese craftsmanship. Their unwavering commitment ensures that the cultural heritage and beauty of these traditional crafts will be passed on to future generations. Join us on this incredible journey as we celebrate the mastery of Yuhei Kojima and Keiji Harada. Witness their artistry, passion, and the indomitable spirit that drives them to create masterpieces that stand the test of time.